Hello everyone, this is Mohan, one of the founder member of the Masterminds group of educational institutions, which is a famous educational institution on pan-India basis for courses like CA and CMA. I am making this video on 29th of August 2023 and the theme of this video is CA Foundation and CMA Foundation long-term batch. And before I proceed, I'd like to mention that the video is available in two versions. One is English as well as Telugu. And this is the English version of the video. We are Masterminds. We are one among the very few educational institutions which is running from more than 20 years. And we have been operating since from the year 2002. And Masterminds is one among the very few educational institutions which are offering coaching for all the levels of CA and CMA. Now I'll tell you what do you mean by that. We not just offer coaching for CA Foundation, we offer coaching for CA Inter, CA Final also. Similarly for CMA Inter, CMA Final also. So we offer coaching from Foundation to Final both for CA and CMA courses. And Masterminds is one among the very few educational institutions which is having approximately 2,500 admissions at final level of CA and CMA courses. And Masterminds is one among the very few educational institutions which offers coaching for all the subjects of CA and CMA courses. I'll tell you a simple example. In case of CA Foundation, we'll be having 4 papers. We offer coaching for all the 4 papers under one roof. In case of CA Inter, we have 6 papers. We offer coaching for all the 6 papers under one roof, and CA Final comprises of 6 papers. We offer coaching for all the 6 papers under one roof, which is very rare in the coaching industry of CA and CMA courses. And Masterminds is one among the very few educational institutions in the coaching industry of CA and CMA courses having near about 20,000 admissions in a year, which includes both the admissions of offline and online. And let me proceed. Let me get into the discussion called the CA Foundation long-term batch. Usually, those students who could not get a decent rank in the NEET examinations or in IIT JEE examinations will go for a repetition, and they'll take admission into long-term batch of IIT JEE and long-term batch of NEET examinations. Whereas CA Foundation long-term batch is not meant for repeaters. This batch is meant for those students who would like to appear for the first time either for CA Foundation or for CMA Foundation. Since the duration of the batch is longer, we call it as long-term batch. That is the only logic. In general, we have CA Foundation regular batch where the students will appear for the CA Foundation examinations either in the November or December of this year itself. Whereas the CA Foundation long-term batch students will appear for the examinations of May 2024 CA Foundation and June 2024 examinations of the CMA Foundation. So these students are going to appear for the next year examinations. We call it as, just to differentiate the batches, we call those students who are appearing for the December examinations, we call them as regular batch. Whereas those students who are going to appear for the next year examinations, in case of CA Foundation, it is likely to be May. In case of CMA Foundation examinations, it is likely to be June. We call it as long-term batch. So this is all about the long-term batch. CA stands for Chartered Accountancy, CMA stands for Cost and Management Accountancy. Generally, these two courses are considered to be the premier courses in commerce, having a reputation and respect on pan-India basis. These two courses are considered to be the one of the best courses available as of now in the stream of commerce. And the interesting thing is, the beauty is, even the science stream students like students of MPC or BPC, the students of IIT JEE or the students of NEET examinations can also get converted to commerce stream and can join for CA or CMA courses. Suppose, say for example, I'm a student of IIT JEE examination and I couldn't get a decent rank in the IIT JEE examination. In such a case, I may shift to CA or CMA courses. Since it is a long-term batch, we have plenty of time. We not just offer coaching for CA Foundation, we even offer the coaching for CMA Foundation also. So this is like an integrated batch. Those students who join for this long-term batch will be offer coaching both for CA Foundation and CMA Foundation. And CA Foundation examinations are likely to be in May 2024 and CMA Foundation examinations are likely to be in June 2024. Before you take a decision whether to join in CA course or CMA course, keep an important statement in your mind. Courses like CA or CMA, they're easier than IIT and NEET. I mean to say IIT or medicine courses. They're easier than IIT or medicine courses, but they are tougher than BTech or any other traditional degree courses like BCom, BSc, etc., etc., etc. My dear students, as I just told you, I want to repeat one important thing. The batch is meant for those students who would like to take examination of CA Foundation in May 2024 and those students would like to take CMA Foundation examination in June 2024. The batch is likely to start on August 29, 2023 and every Monday will be having a new batch. I repeat, every Monday will be having a new batch. And the coaching is available in two different formats. One is called the CPB, Complete Physical Batch, which is otherwise called as offline batches. The second one is called COB, Complete Online Batch, which is otherwise called as live batches, where the physical batch classes will be live telecasted. The students can stay at their home and can comfortably attend the live classes. Do note that we have another mode of coaching also, that is called video recording lectures. We call it as VOD, Video On Demand Batch. So in simple to say, we have physical batches called CPB, we have online batches called complete online batches, live batches, and we have video recording lectures that is called VOD batch, video on demand batch. Now coming to the online coaching classes, if you want to go for online coaching classes, my sincere advice is not to go for online coaching classes, and online coaching classes should be the last resort. And if you want to go for online coaching classes, my best suggestion is to go for live batches than video recording lectures. So the popular name for live batches in case of masterminds is, we call it as COB, Complete Online Batch. The physical batch classes will be live telecasted and materials will be sent through courier on periodical basis, and the students need to attend the classes as per the fixed timetable. Suppose, say for example, if you buy the video recording lectures, you may have a tendency of postponement. You may not watch them seriously and you may keep on postponing watching those videos. In case of live batches, the question of postponement will not arise. For example, today the classes will commence on 8 a.m. You need to attend the classes as per the schedule. There is no question of any postponement and there is no choice also. Even if you don't attend the coaching classes on any particular day, you'll get a follow-up call. And in addition to that, we even conduct the Sunday revision examinations or the weekend revision examinations for these online batches also, otherwise called as live batches. Just like the physical batches, the live batches students will also require to attend the weekend examinations. Another beauty is, at the end of each class, the students will be given a reasonable time of 5 to 10 minutes so that they can get their doubts clarified. So in simple, the doubts clarification will be done on a real-time basis in case of live batches. And one more advantage is, the live batches, in case of live batches, the faculty will be from central office. So the head office faculty will be teaching the complete online batch, otherwise called as live batches. That is one major advantage. And the admissions are available not just at central office, I mean to say the Guntur, but also available at all our branches. Right now we have branches in Hyderabad, and again in Hyderabad we have branches at multiple locations. We have branch in Vizag. Even in Vizag also we have branches at multiple locations. We have branches in Rajahmundry, Vijayawada, Nellore, Kurnool, Tirupati, and of course the central office is located at Guntur. So the admissions for the CA Foundation long-term batch is available not just at central office but also available at all our branches. And coming to the academic program, every day will be conducted in the coaching classes in between 8 to 10 hours. I repeat, in between 8 to 10 hours. And to finish the coaching, we may take approximately 1,000 hours. Yes, it sounds big. You just have a comparison with any other prominent CA coaching center on pan-India basis, and you can find that the number of hours per which we are going to teach is far more than many prominent CA coaching centers on pan-India basis. Why is that we take more number of hours to complete the syllabus? This logic is simple. We don't teach properly. We teach the concepts. In order to impart conceptual clarity, in order to impart a conceptual coaching, we do need more number of hours. That's a major reason for such a wonderful success for the team Masterminds. So say for example, we'll be offering coaching for 1,000 hours in case of CA Foundation. Many educational institutions will finish the CA Foundation coaching hardly within 600 to 700 hours. So we offer a detailed coaching classes, we offer a detailed coaching, and this itself is a live evidence. Taking coaching classes for near about 1,000 hours at CA Foundation level itself is unmatching. That's the reason Masterminds is matchless for CA Foundation. And our academic program also comprises of weekend examinations, and after completion of the syllabus, the unique point is after completion of the syllabus, I'm expecting my team to complete the syllabus by February ending. So after completion of the syllabus, we'll be left with March, April and May. So for 3 months, we'll be conducting the revision examinations and study hours in physical form. Do note that those who attend the coaching classes in complete online batch mode also is required to attend the study hours and revision examinations, which are going to conduct in the last 3 months in the physical form in the nearest branch. As I told you, we have a branch at Hyderabad, Vizag, Vijayawada, Rajahmundry, Kurnool, Nellore, Tirupati, of your choice. You can take admission there, and after finishing the coaching classes, in case you have taken admission in COB, complete online batch, you need to attend the study hours and revision examination batches in physical form in the branch at which you are taken admission. So attending the coaching classes in online is okay, whereas for revision and for study hours, you need to attend the study hours and revision examination batches in physical form. That is mandatory, and it is only for a period of 3 months, March, April and May. And I just told you, we just don't limit ourselves to CA Foundation coaching. Since we have ample time, we'll be offering coaching for both CA Foundation and CMA Foundation, and coaching will be for approximately 1,000 hours, and you will be given the India's best material. You just inquire with any of the students who are studying CA and CMA. They will definitely tell you this. Masterminds materials are really unmatching. And another uniqueness is we offer our services till the last day. For example, in case of CA Foundation students, we'll be offering coaching till May 20, 2024. Most probably the CA Foundation examinations will get completed by time. In case a student is also appearing for the CMA Foundation also, our services will be up to June 20, 2024. Most probably the exams of CMA Foundation will get completed by that date. This is another unique thing. So let's step into the important discussion. The discussion about the fee, the discussion about the applicable fees. So coming to the fee, we have both a day scholar facility as well as a residential facility. So coming to the coaching fees details, coming to the tuition fee details or the coaching fees details, it is lesser than 50,000. See, we have started this batch on August 29, 2023, and we need to offer services till May 2024 in case of CA Foundation, and in case the student appears for the CMA Foundation also, we need to offer coaching till June 20, 2024. For this duration, the coaching fees is approximately lesser than 50,000. It is not even 50,000, it is lesser than 50,000. You can even compare that. The coaching fees that we are offering is much lesser than what the coaching fees being charged by reputed schools or international schools or reputed CBSE schools or reputed engineering colleges. And of course, in addition to this, the students need to make a payment of approximately 7 to 10,000 rupees towards admission fees and as well as the books and other stationery charges. And coming to the hostel facility, we have a hostel called complete residential system, similar to schooling. Students will not be allowed to go outside, and there is an absolute restriction on usage of cell phones also. Students are not allowed to make use of the cell phone. Only those students who are interested are advised to take admission. If you are not ready to adhere our rules, follow our rules, kindly don't take admission into Masterminds. Don't take admission. And our hostel fees is approximately 6,500 rupees per month. In addition to that, since we'll be conducting the revision examinations and study hours in the last 3 months, we'll be charging a nominal fee of approximately 7,000 to 10,000 rupees for the entire 3 months period. For the entire 3 months period. We haven't decided the fees. That again depends upon when we are going to complete the syllabus. That's the reason I'm telling you on estimate basis. So, in addition to the coaching fees, for the last 3 months, we charge the study hours and revision examination fees. We are not charging anything hidden. Everything is openly told. We are not charging anything hidden. What are the services that we offer during the last 3 months, which we popularly call as study hours and revision examinations? We give a schedule on upfront basis. So, what are the chapters to be read by the students on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, etc., etc., etc. And we'll be conducting the revision examinations on weekly twice basis. And immediately after completion of the examination, the student will be shared with the suggestion answers in physical form. And within 2 weeks, we even release the performance report of the student. So, this is what we do during the course of study hours and revision examination batches. During the course of study hours and revision examination services. My dear students, before you want to take an admission into any CA or CMA coaching center, what are the factors to be considered? Number 1, you take an admission only into exclusive commerce coaching centers. Suppose, say for example, there is an institution by name XYZ. They offer coaching for IIT, medicine, and also for CA Foundation. Obviously, their priority will be for IIT and or for NEET courses, not for commerce. So, if at all, if you want to join for CA or CMA courses, take admission only into exclusive commerce coaching centers like Masterminds. And the institution in which you are going to take admission should have an experience of at least 15 to 20 years. Only then they are capable enough to handle this course. And by the way, most important thing is, in the year 2023, there is a change in CA syllabus. Not every institution will be capable enough, or not many institutions will be capable enough to handle this new syllabus. Be aware, be careful before you take an admission. And the institution in which you are going to take an admission shall be capable enough to teach up to final level of CA and CMA. And they should be capable enough to offer coaching for all the papers of CA Foundation, CA Inter, CA Final, CMA Foundation, CMA Inter, and CMA Final, and have a buffer period of at least 1 year. So, as on today, I am making this video on 29th of August 2023. The duration of the CA course is for CA Foundation. As you all know that you need to appear for the CA Foundation examinations in May 2024. From then, CA Inter will be for 1 year, and from them CA Final will be for another 2 years. So, I am advising you to keep a buffer period of another 1 year. Buffer period of another 1 year. I request the parents and students kindly do share this video with those students who would like to join for CA or CMA courses for the upcoming examinations, so that this can be helpful for the students who would like to take an admission into CA and CMA courses. And now coming to the achievements. So, what are the achievements that we had in CA Foundation, CA Inter, and CA Final? I'll just show you. To begin with, I just want to start with the CA Inter, the second level of the CA course. The first level is called CA Foundation, the second level is called CA Inter. So, in the last 10 years, our students have secured 105 All India ranks in CA Inter level. So, an average comes to more than 10 ranks a year. Please do note that we will not be having unlimited ranks just like IIT, JEE or NEET examination. In case of CA or CMA courses, ranks will be declared only up to top 50. So, only limited ranks will be declared and they will be limited to only 50. So, we are able to secure more than 100 ranks in the last 10 years of CA examinations, and I am not talking about the CA Foundation, I am not talking about the CA Final, I am talking about only the CA Inter. Alone in CA Inter, we have secured more than 100 ranks in the last 10 years, which includes the All India first rank, fourth rank, fifth rank, and sixth rank, and eighth rank, and ninth rank as well at CA Inter level, both in old syllabus and new syllabus. Now, coming to CA final. In the last 6 years, our students have secured 52 All India ranks. Our students have secured 52 All India ranks in the last 6 years. So, which includes the All India first rank, All India fourth rank, and All India ninth rank at CA final level. And more particularly, our students have secured 7 All India first ranks in the last 3 years. I mean to say 2020, 2021, 2022. And do note that these are not state ranks. All these ranks are secured at All India level, and all these are All India first ranks. So, to cover the details, so our student by name Pranit has secured All India first rank in CA final 2020. Guru Bhaskar has secured All India first rank in CMA final 2020. Deepak has secured All India first rank in CMA Inter 2020. And Rishabh has secured CMA Foundation All India first rank in 2020. And Nikhil has secured All India first rank in CMA final in 2021. And Yashwant has secured All India first rank in CA Inter 2022. And Rishabh has secured All India first rank in CMA Inter 2022. And coming to the CA Foundation results. Recently, in the year 2021, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, it is a board which conducts the examinations for the CA students on pan-India basis. They have taken a policy decision not to declare the CA Foundation ranks. So, I'm able to provide you the rank details or the details of the rank holders till 2020 only. So, because of the policy decision, they have stopped declaring the ranks at CA Foundation level from 2021. So, in 2019 and 2020, I repeat, in 2019 and 2020, our students have secured 40 All India ranks, and do note that only 50 All India ranks will be declared at CA Foundation, CA Inter, and CA Final level. So, among those limited ranks that have been declared at CA Foundation level, our students have secured 40 All India ranks, which includes All India second rank. And coming to 2021, there's a big news, there's a good news. See, though the institute has taken a policy decision not to declare the All India ranks at CA Foundation level from 2021, erroneously they declared All India first rank in February 2021 CA Foundation results. And a student who got 361 marks has secured All India first rank in February 2021 results. I repeat, a student who secured 361 marks has secured All India first rank in CA Foundation out of 400 marks in February 2021 results. Our student by name Pujita, she secured 362 marks in September 2021 results, which is more than the All India first rank holder marks. But very unfortunately, since the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has taken a decision not to declare the results, not to declare the All India ranks, they haven't given any official confirmation whether Pujita has secured All India first or second or third or any other rank. We don't know any official confirmation, but we know that her marks is more than the marks being secured by the student of All India first level, the student who secured the All India first rank in February 2021. I repeat, but we know that her marks is more than the marks being secured by a student who secured All India first rank in February 2021 at CA Foundation level. And coming to the latest results that have been declared in August 2023. Near about 53 students have secured more than or equal to 300 marks out of 400 marks in CA Foundation level. That is absolutely remarkable. You just compare this before you come to a conclusion whether Masterminds is matchless for CA Foundation or not. And my humble request is, before you want to take a decision whether to join in Masterminds or not, don't give much priority to our ranks. So, we have secured All India first rank in CA Inter, CA Final, CMA Inter, CMA Final. Even then, in spite of that, I am requesting you not to give more importance to the ranks being secured by our students. In fact, give more importance, more priority to our commitment, our dedication and experience of more than 20 years. See, very humbly, it is my humble submission. Though our students have secured many All India ranks in CA Inter, CA Final, my humble submission is, we don't want to take the credit of their success. Absolutely, the entire credit goes to the students community. Why? Because see, And every student who took coaching from Masterminds was able to secure an all India rank, then it becomes our credit. Whereas only few students are able to secure all India ranks, then absolutely we need to admit the fact that the credit goes to the students community. Is it not? Next one, coming to the online mode of coaching, I just share few important details. Coming to the online coaching details, I just told you we have two kinds of online coaching classes. One is called the COB live batches, the complete online batch, otherwise called as live batches. I prefer live batches. The other mode is online coaching through video recorded lectures. In case if you want to buy the video recorded lectures of Masterminds team, what you need to do is you need to download an app called Masterminds Online Classes, which is available separately for Android users as well as for iOS users. After you download the app, you can find a icon called store. After that, in search bar, you type the keyword called CA Foundation Regular. So the course is readily available, which is as per the 2023 syllabus. Since it is the first batch in the new syllabus, the video recordings are not readily available. What we are doing is we are uploading the video recordings on weekly basis. So once in a week, we'll upload the video recordings of few subjects. Like that, we will be uploading the video recordings till February 2024. Since it is the first batch in the new syllabus, this is the initial hiccup. So video recordings of all the subjects are not readily available. As I told you earlier, we'll be offering coaching for nearly 1000 hours. The 1000 hours content is not readily available. Will be made available on installment basis. And that course, I mean to say, the video recorded lectures are available for sale at just 26,000 with 12 months validity with 2 views option. What do you mean by 2 views option? For 1 hour video can be watched for 2 hours. And do note that these are not recorded in studio. These are recorded in the live classroom. So which will definitely add a fragrance to the teaching. See, in case myself as a faculty, in case I'm asked to record the video lectures in a studio, the feel I may not have a liveliness in my teaching. Whereas in case the video recordings are recorded in the classroom, it even cover the doubts clarification being done by the faculty while offering the lecture. That is one added advantage. And before you want to buy the video recorded lectures, kindly contact our helpline numbers 9885125001 and 03 for demo videos. And do note that if you want to buy the videos through Masterminds Online Classes app, you'll be able to watch the videos only in mobile or tab, but not in desktop or laptop. If at all, if you want to buy the videos and want to watch them even in desktop or in laptop, what you need to do is you should not make the payment through Masterminds Online Classes app. I repeat, you should not make the payment through Masterminds Online Classes app. What you need to do is you need to contact our staff members. They will share you the bank account details. So you need to make the fund transfer, and after that you will be given the access to GD, popularly called as Google Drive classes, which enables you to watch the video lectures even in laptop or desktop. If you buy the videos, if you make the payment through Masterminds Online Classes app, they will enable you only to watch the videos either through cell phone, I mean to say mobile phone, or through a tab. So coming to the performance of Team Masterminds in online platform. So we have been offering our online coaching classes through a edtech company by name Class Plus. If I'm not wrong, they are offering various services to various online educators on pan-India basis, and as of now, their clients include near about 15,000 to 20,000 online educators similar to Masterminds. And we have been recognized as the top 1% educators on pan-India basis by the Class Plus in online platform. And we have been awarded as the top 3 educators on pan-India basis by the same Class Plus team. And since I am the admin of the Masterminds Online Classes app, I'm able to have an access to many informations, which includes the performance of the classes, which includes the number of sales or the number of purchases made by the students. So I have taken this screenshot on July 11th, 2023. So as on that day, near about 822 or near about 800 sales have been made or purchases have been made by the students in just a week, which includes the purchases at CA foundation level, CMA foundation level, CA inter level, CMA inter level, CA final level, CMA final level, which includes the online revision examinations, which includes the online coaching classes, which again includes the regular batch, long-term batch, crash batch, which even also includes the MPM, monthly payment mode. By the way, if at all, if the students want to go for the subscription mode, yes, we have that subscription mode also available in 2 different forms. Yes, the students would like to attend the coaching classes for CA Foundation long-term batch can also go for a subscription mode. We popularly called as MPM, monthly payment mode. Monthly payment mode. Since it is the first batch, under the new syllabus, we are not offering the MPM, monthly payment mode, immediately for the CA Foundation long-term batch students. Otherwise, the MPM is also available for the CA Foundation students also. I repeat, for this batch, we are not offering the monthly payment mode, popularly called as subscription mode, for CA Foundation long-term batch alone. For CA Foundation long-term batch alone. The reason is since it is the first batch. So the significance of the kind of leadership you can directly have an evidence. More than 800 purchases in online mode in just a week. And we have been awarded a prestigious award by the same Class Plus team for being a top trending seller. In the month of August 2023 in online platform. And we have a popular channel by name Masterminds for CA and CMA, and we have more than 80 lakh views. And do note that we have less than 50,000 subscribers. We are able to reach 80 lakh views with less than 50,000 subscribers. And the conclusion is, if you have any doubts, you please post them in comment box, and at the earliest I'll try to reply them. And if you want to reach our team members, reach them at the given numbers on the screen. And if you want to share this information with your friends, please do share this video with your friends, and don't forget to like this video so that this video will be auto suggested by the YouTube to many such students who are interested to take CA Foundation coaching. All the best. God bless you. Bye. Have a happy learning.